Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm doing a voiceover just because I had some noise in the background, but I'm here at the auto shop. Look at my car back there in the bay, and it was just a nice, good environment. I'm just showing you guys around. I'm gonna mess with this oil thing. The one on the left, that's basically just conventional oil, and the other one on the right is full synthetic. But as you see, what they have right here is the Lucas oil, the Lucas motor oil they have. And the gear, when I spin the gear, basically the oil go all the way to the top. As the one on the left, which is plain motor oil, the oil don't even get to the top because it's plain. So therefore the one on the right is more thicker, and obviously it have to be full synthetic. This is a thicker motor oil, as you can see, and they'll add Lucas with it. But I was just in the mechanic shop just having myself some fun. You see certain things and just curious. But as you can see, the oil made it all the way to the top. I should try to move my thing out the way, but I'm sorry about that. As you can see, the one on the right have oil, and the one on the left is dry. All right, guys. So here they doing the alignment on my vehicle. They have the thing on all four wheels. Yeah, man. I love the way how my car drives right now. I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, they did a good job. All right, guys. I just left the mechanic shop, and so I got my alignment, the 2 new tires installed. But right now I got to get a car wash. Look at the line for the car wash, and my car is so dirty. And I'm not gonna get the $3.99. I'm gonna get I think it's like $12 now, or $10.99, $11.99 or so. So I'm gonna get me a nice car wash. Yeah. Oh man, this car wash really good. That's why a lot of people here. It really washed the car real good. Let me show you guys how dirty. I don't know if you guys could see due to the sun, but the car is really dirty. And what I did with my wallet, I left it in the car just like my keys. Yeah, the car is really dirty. I'm gonna get it washed, and yeah, they did a good job. Look how dirty the rims is. Really dirty. And yeah, that's the name of the tire, Durell STL Sport. Ain't nothing sport about it. The tread wear is like, I think it's like 430 or something for the tread wear, something like that. So, oh yeah, I didn't even show you guys the price that I paid to get the how dirty it is. It's really dirty, guys. To get the 2 tire installed and the alignment, I only paid $53. And I think it would have been cheaper if I had given cash, but I used my card, and they tax it. So basically it's probably was like $45, and they didn't charge me no large amount of money. So it was a piece of cake, man. I love going to this specified mechanic shop, this certified mechanic shop that I always go to. Look at my back window. See how dirty it is, guys? It's really dirty. And you guys know that my car don't be this dirty like that. So yeah, really dirty. You guys can see it. I know you see all that dirty spots. So yeah, and this rim right here, oh my, is dying for a clean. So yeah, let's get down to business. Let me walk inside the gas station and might get me something to drink. No, I got something in there to drink. Alright, so I'm back out. I didn't want to record inside, especially the lady keep calling me baby, so I didn't want to get that on tape. I'm gonna just say that it's coincidental that she just keep calling me baby. But no, different people, different race, you know how that goes. It was a Latino lady, but I just say that as it respect, you know. She was like, thank you baby for your service, whatever. You know, I just went in, just purchased the $11.99 purchased the $11.99 car wash. But yeah guys, look at the line. Look at the line. I need to put you guys up on my thing. Let me try to twist it this way and turn on my AC. I need to get some gas too. I'm gonna put some gas before I go on the road today. I had put 15 last night and it gave me more than 129 miles. It actually gave me, I can't remember, like 160 something, which wasn't bad because the gas was kind of cheap. I think it was like $329 for the gas. So yeah. Alright, so yeah, they're getting the wash and I can't wait. They look like they got a cheap one because I did not see a lot of soap for the thing. But I'm happy once again. So excited. I want to go home and go to sleep. I might change my my time for, I got my automatic sensor on wipers. Turn it off. All the water that's coming off from the wash hitting my glass. But yeah, I'm so happy. I only spend 53 bucks. Yep, 53.50 on the alignment and my 2 tires installed. What a deal. Them boys hooked me up really good. Oh man. But yeah, now I'm about to get a wash. I'm just waiting for this guy to come out of there and get my car washed, man. For real. I'm happy. Excited. Whatever you want to call it, man. I feel good. Alright guys, my turn to drive in. Yeah, let's get my baby clean. Squeaky clean. Stop right here. Load it up with all your bunch of soap. Okay, what was that? Okay, there we go. I was about to say, I was like, did the lady give me the right thing? There we go. Loaded up with a bunch of soap. All right, now we talking. Hey, now we cooking with some fire. I was about to say, I'm getting tried like a duck. Yes. Get this baby squeaky clean. It's been a while. Woo. Needed that. it said wheel cleaner, tri-foam conditioner, clear coat sealant, color, wave shine, and rain shield. So it's doing its thing. I can feel all of the pressure from all the water and stuff. Yes, clean my baby up. Clean her up, clean her up. Guys, I'm so happy and I'm so thankful because my mom, she really helped me out real good. She really did help me. Like, man, moms are the best. Moms are the best, for real. I wonder what's next gonna come. The clear coat. Cause I know it's the tri-foam was the color conditioner, so I think it's the clear coat coming now. I can see it coming from the back. Yep, that's the clear coat, guys. That's what protects the paint and everything to give it that boost, that little shine. It protects the paint, so that's the clear coat. Yep. A little water to rinse that off. And then I think after this it should be the color wave shine, and I think it looked like yellow or something. That's coming after this little rinse off. Yeah, that's water. Rinse that off, you know. Yeah, good stuff. So guys, I appreciate you guys riding with me and hanging out with me and everything. Like, I feel so good. That axle was troublesome. I was worried. I was like, man, I don't want to be on the road and that junk broke and I'm stuck, stranded, and not only that, I have to pay extra money to get a tow truck and get it shipped at the shop, and oh man. So I just really had to thank God for everything, because man, it's crazy. Really crazy. But yeah, it's $12 wash, 12 and change. Yeah, I'm surprised they didn't even put down a lot of the color shine thing. Okay, this used to give a lot of it, and I didn't even see much of it. Oh well. But I'm gonna show you guys after how the car look. After when it dry off, I'm gonna go into like maybe an empty parking lot, and I'm gonna show you guys how well this how of a job this drive-through car wash do. Yeah, I didn't even see the color wave shine thing. It was yellow. I guess they ran out, but still, they need to refill it, because they used to put a lot, and I didn't even see none. Unless they mixed it in the tri-foam conditioner, I'm guessing. I'm not sure. I did see in the clear coat sealant. See, the whole menu is right there. Like, let me zoom. Oh yeah, I forgot. I can't zoom in when I'm using director's view. But it tells you all the menu right there on the right. I don't know if you guys can see it. But it said wheel cleaner, tri-foam conditioner, clear coat sealant, and it said color wave shine, and it said rain shield at the end. So we'll see. Alright, it's done, guys. So let me drive out of here, and I'm gonna try to go to like an empty spot. I don't even know where I have like an empty parking lot. The only place that I know is probably at the mall. I'm gonna drive. Really appreciate you guys sticking with me. Real. they're almost done with the apartments over there. They did it real big. That's crazy. That was a good lot. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna show you guys how it look. Alright, guys, I'm getting close to the mall. What kind of foolish this person? Okay, I saw what they did, but still, over here is like they have a little construction thing going on. Here, I'm gonna take the other one. I could have turned that way, but I'm not gonna do it. Turn this way. I'm gonna come out the car and show you guys how clean the car is and everything. Man, my gas dropped down to 117 miles. I was just like 120 something. Man. Alright, so I'm gonna just pull in right here. So I'll basically pull in anywhere it's empty. And I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. Close to my starting point as well for DoorDash as well too. Okay, so it didn't do much good of a job at the rim for the rim. As you can see, inside of it, it's still dirty. But as for the car itself, it's really clean. It's really clean. The front one did better, looked better than the one in the back. So, but otherwise it's very clean. Let me try to move myself out the way. Oh man, let me back up a little bit then. So, otherwise it did a good job. It did a pretty good job. It's just at the rim area, the front one looked better, especially if I come up closer. Just a little touch up it needs, you know, a little wiping. The front one did good, and also the one in the back. But the one in the back is new, so this was my spare. I had to put on my spare because the other tire wasn't no good, so I had to put on this spare. But this one looked the best out of all of them, just because this rim is new, and I don't really use a spare like that, but I ain't got no choice. Your boy doing so bad, so. But it really did a good job, guys. Look, really clean. It's really clean. The sensors, the backup sensors, here and here. Little water spots still left. The window, you don't see no spots really. So it cleans it up. It cleans it up really good. Yep. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I really appreciate the love and support, man. The car is beautiful. Really clean. I need some new tints though, but that's coming later, soon, sometime, when I get some bread. Right now your boy I don't got it like that. You feel me? Back into the vehicle. And peace out, bye bye, take care, God bless. I'm out.